At the moment, I am at my aunt's house, and recently her cat had kittens, and I'm here to go see them, and here we go. That's not a kitten, that's the mama. Hi, mama. Her name's Luna. I think I've videotaped you before, but yeah, big gray Luna. Got a collar on. Lovely cat, very thin, very skeleton-like. Yeah, very friendly towards me. She recognizes me. And look at these little buggers. She jumped in with him. Look at him. Look at these babies. She's like swag or smug. But look at them. Look at them. They're so soft. These are the softest cats I've ever seen. They're just in a pile. They're crawling around. Look at this one. Look at his eyes. Look at her. Or him. I don't know what gender. This one's just Tubby sleeping. Sleeping Tubby. Ah. She's trying to yell at me. Luna's. Oh my god. Hi, Luna. Luna collapses to the ground with her baby kitties. Look at him. Are you okay, doing big guy? You okay there, big guy? You're the only one not moving. Oh, you're such a baby. Oh my god. They crawl on each other. Savages. Oh, she's holding that one. That's probably her favorite nugget. All these are just little nuggets. Oh, I love cats. They're in a box right now. Cat food and stuff. They're just little nuggets crawling around. I just wanted to videotape it so you, because I know there's a lot of bad things going on right now, but I just wanted to bring you guys some joy with some baby kitties and mama. Oh, now she's up here with me. Hello, Luna. Hello, Luna. Hello. Aww. Little nuggets. Anyway, I know there's a lot of fear and stuff going on right now, and terror and stuff, but I want you guys to hopefully feel a little better with some baby kittens crawling around in a box. Because baby kittens are the innocence of the world. And I hope you guys have a good day. And I hope this cheered you up at least a little bit. Baby kittens and mama. Have a good day. Stay safe. And look forward to the future. Because it may be scary right now, but it will hopefully improve. And if it doesn't, things like this will make people want to live more. Like these little babies, these little nuggets. Stay safe, everybody. I hope you guys have a lovely day. And I love you all. Bye-bye. And I love all these little nuggets. Yeah, it's so cute.